How can you save time when informing your team of schedules or important notices? Simply posting on your community board will do the job. Write down the announcement. You can throw in videos, photos, and files too that need to be checked beforehand. Upon completing the post, all members in your band will get an instant notification. Then, your members can share feedback or questions right below in the comments. Check the read count to make sure no one missed your post. Or, give them a friendly reminder via chat if they did. Adding your post as a notice will keep it at the top of your group feed. From now on, no one misses any important announcements. Got an event coming up? Members can RSVP easily, and you can check participation in a glance. You can also add dates, locations, and more. Now members clearly know when and where to go. Don't miss other powerful group features that you can attach to a post. Poll the group for opinions, check attendance, or split bills.